Hi, I'm Chris Harris, and I'm here with
Tiffany Wadle.
and this is going to be the introduction to our Holcomb High School Campus Tour 2021.
Thanks for joining. Okay, for our first segment, we're going to be watching Cooking with Coach with Nick Cox and Trey Teeter.
We're here with Coach Little Teeter, and he's going to be making pancakes against Nick Cox. How experienced are you in making pancakes?
I'm very, very experienced. This will be one of the best pancakes that anybody ever
Nick
eats.
Cox, and he'll be making pancakes today. How experienced are you in making pancakes?
This is my first time making pancakes.
How do you think you'll do today?
Pretty bad.
Thank you.
Go. They're about to taste the best pancakes that they've ever had.
And it's not the best. It's the first time I ever made it, but it does the job.
All right, so the first pancake we had was very good, was very full, had a nice crunch to it, and overall tasted amazing. Second one didn't look too strong at the beginning, but when we went in for the taste test, it tasted actually pretty good. So, it's going to be a close one. See what these other judges have to say.
So the first one, perfect pancake. What you think of fluffy, nice, and then there's a little crunch in there. And I don't know what he put in there, but it had a little different flavor. It was good. That second one looked bad. It did not look good at all. But it tasted pretty good. It was pretty good.
Alright, the first pancake had a really nice soft crunch to it. It was very nice to taste. Very great ingredients he had. Yeah, that was a special pancake, and there was a really good fluff to it. Overall, it was just amazing. And the second pancake, it really looked nasty. It didn't really look that good. It felt weird, honestly, but when I first ate it, the Nutella saved it from being good. And now we're going to announce the winner.
All right, so the winner of the pancake competition is, boom, Coach Trey Teeter.
Wow, it looks like Coach Teeter has won it once again. But anyways, thank you to Nick Cox and Coach Teeter for participating in our Cooking with Coach. And now on to our next segment, Shook It. Hi, I'm Chris Harris, and I'm back here with another cheese stick eating contest. We have Garrett the King versus Aaliyah, and we're going to get it going. Are you guys ready? Alrighty. This ain't before the match happens.
Probably.
Just want to make sure you guys heard that. Alrighty. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yeah, that's a great start. Alrighty. And the one down for the King. Oh, man. Here comes the technique we've all been waiting for. That's gone. Alrighty. You're struggling. Come on, keep it up. Let's go. Oh, man. Oh, she's going for the whole hand technique. That is a lot. Cheese sticks down. You're going to have to pick it up the pace, the King. Come on, let's go. Alrighty, alright. Just under a minute and 30 seconds left. Here we go. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, yeah, the King. Straight back at it. Let's go, King. King, 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 King. Alrighty. We have just under a minute left. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Will this be the match that the King gets defeated? No one will ever know. Guys? Better start picking up the pace if you want to beat the King. 30 seconds left. Oh my goodness. 30 seconds. We need more cheese. Alrighty. And just about. And Garrett is done with his play, everybody. Garrett is done. I think we got a winner. Let's see if she has time to finish her plate. You got 10 seconds left. 8, 7, 6, 5, and it doesn't even matter. We have our champion once again. Oh wow, that was an intense cheese stick eating contest, wasn't it? All right, so now I'm here with the champ and then the challenger, and we're gonna see their thoughts on it.
I think it was great. I got 2 whole rounds like nobody.
It looked like it too. Alrighty, and then what are your thoughts?
I think I would have won if I didn't eat lunch.
Wow, that was some nice cheese stick eating contest. I believe the king is still the champ, and so yeah, we're having a great time watching them eat them cheese sticks. Here's Tiffany with the next segment.
Our next segment is called Trending, where we're going to ask some of our students about their favorite trends and why they like them.
I'm here with Race Artery, asking him about his mullet. Why did you get a mullet?
Because they're freaking awesome.
Why do you think mullets are coming back?
Well, everybody sees how awesome they are, so everybody's deciding to get one.
Has it ever occurred to you that they are ugly?
No.
Thank you for your time.
Hi, my name is Tiffany, and I'm here with David, and I'm going to interview him about his thoughts on mullets. So, David, what are your thoughts?
I hate mullets. If you have one, you're disgusting. Get out of my face. Yeah, I mean, why have a mullet when you can just have normal hair?
All right, the next person I'm interviewing is Miss Carnardi. So, Miss Carnardi, what are your opinions on mullets?
They should have died a slow, painful death in the 90s where they belonged.
I completely agree. Why do you feel like that?
I just don't like them.
Me neither. Thank you. All right, the next person that I'm interviewing is Allie Kells. So, Allie, what are your opinions on mullets?
They're disgusting.
Why do you think that?
Because they're very ugly.
I agree. All right, that's a wrap on mullets. Next, we're going to be talking about some fashion trends with some of the people who we think have the best sense of style.
What's your favorite clothing trend and why?
My favorite clothing trend is the late 90s to early 2000s where they layer on multiple clothing pieces and have multiple patterns.
A lot of old trends coming back.
My favorite is probably the, like I said, early 2000s, and so I really do like the hibiscus dresses that are coming back.
How do you feel about bell bottoms?
I personally love bell bottoms. I do own a few pairs myself, and I do think that everyone should at least own one pair.
Wow, that was some very interesting topics about their clothing appearance and then some mullets. I think I have a pretty good flow if I do say so. Right, Tiff?
I disagree. On to our next topic, school duel, where Mr. Smith is going to be competing against Blair to see who can do the best cartwheel. And then we're going to have 4 judges.
Hi, welcome to our segment, School Duel. And this is going to be Mr. Smith versus Blair in our first annual cartwheel battle. Let's give it a shot. Let's go. Wow, yep. Nice. Very nice, very nice. All right, Blair, your turn. Let's see it. Wow, nice. Alrighty, now on to the voting. And now on to the judging of Mr. Smith. Nice. And now on to the judging of Blair. Wow.
Alright, I'm here to interview Mr. Smith on how he thinks he did.
Well, I mean, clearly it was a top performance, and I blew Blair out of the water. In fact, I feel a little sorry for her having to even compete against me.
You're right. Alright, next I'm interviewing Blair to see how her thoughts are.
Honestly, I think I did way better than Mr. Smith because I had my little grunt in there and I thought it was amazing. So, yeah.
I agree. I really like the sound effects, but I still agree with Mr. Smith on he did better.
Wow, unbelievable. Mr. Smith came out with that win. That is very impressive. What are your thoughts on how the competition went?
I think that Blair's sound effects are really good, but I'm going to have to say Mr. Smith really did the best cartwheel.
Preach. Thank you for tuning in to our Holcomb High School Campus Tour 2021.
See you again next year.
Peace.